Okay, so today I wanted to make a video about something that I do on a daily basis. What I actually do is I spend a lot of time on Product Hunt looking for different ideas and inspiration for products, and I love looking at how people solve problems for other people, and I get really energized by that. I'm a maker myself. I like tinkering with things. I'm a developer by trade, so this is fascinating to me. And what I was kind of trying to do is find a way to be useful to the community and try to provide value. So my way of doing that is I figured I could just record myself trying out products that appeal to me for whatever reason, and just recording my first reaction and then my initial experiences trying to onboard myself with those products. And so I'm just gonna open up Product Hunt today and see what comes up. And so here's Product Hunt. Looking at these products, from my own perspective, screenshots are not that interesting to me actually. This is a little dark, so we're gonna skip that. This sounds fun, but let's see all the way. There's okay. So I really like productivity tools. So for that reason, I'm just going to open up this Todo Kanban Board product and see what it is. And it looks kind of interesting because what it seems to be doing is it's kind of parsing the markdown and creating a live Kanban board out of it, and all of that from Visual Studio Code, which is really cool actually. I didn't know that you can create these really complicated custom UIs in Visual Studio Code, so this is really exciting. And yeah, let's see, how can I sign up? If I go to the marketplace, there's the extension. Yep, there it is. Collection of tools to help developers program efficiently. Okay, I kind of like that. Yeah, let's try it out. Okay, open Visual Studio Code. There we go. Install. Wow, a lot of positive reviews. This is really cool. Okay, so what do I do? To MD. Okay. Open the Codex taskboard. Bring up the command line. F1. Okay. Taskboard. Okay. Yeah, this is really cool. All right, generate files, usage, yada yada yada. Okay, have some templates. That's pretty cool. So let's try it out. If I just go codes, cool. That's good. And how can I? Okay, so if I add a task, that's great. My task, that's pretty cool. Can reorder them. Wow, this is really advanced. I didn't know you can do this. Okay, what else can I do? Can I? Okay, I can delete them, mark them as done. Oh, cool. Finally, how can I get to see that Markdown file. Maybe I need to kind of start in a folder or something. Probably. So let's open a folder. Right, let's create a new folder real quick. Yeah. Open. All right. Okay. And then great. But how can I see? I still don't get it. Maybe I'm stupid, but I just don't see. How can I open up this editor? Okay, maybe if I just create a new file first. Okay, what is the format? Is there something, yeah, to do, in progress, done. Okay, cool. And now if I save this, it's gonna ask me. I'm just gonna save it as a board MD. That's not gonna work. But if I rename it to do, is that gonna work? Yes. Okay, that works. Can I name it something else? I don't know. Appears not. So it only works with like to-do.md. It's weird. Yeah, okay. Well, that's fine. What I would love is to be able to create multiple files. Now maybe I'm wrong, and maybe this actually does have that feature, but I'm not entirely sure. Oh, I see. Okay. I see. All right. So second and the right, and then I can choose. Can I? Can I choose? No, I can't. Why is this the case? And can I make more than one list? That would be kind of cool. In progress. No, almost done. Okay, and then if I move, it's gonna refresh. No, I'm editing the wrong file. If I move, let's make a new list. Okay, almost done. Is this guy gonna update? Are you gonna update? Are you going to update? Yeah, almost done. Okay, I get it. So I have a second in progress column, so to speak. If I check it, it goes to done. That's cool. And if I move, Now what is confusing to me? Okay, I got it. Why is this guy not refreshing? So what I would expect to happen is that this list would refresh over here, but it's not when I save the file. So this is kind of my initial reaction. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. And now if I move this here, save it, I would love this guy over here to refresh, but never mind. Let's see if it works the other way around. If I move this guy over here, yeah, it works. So it appears to be like one way, which is also fine. You can add a new task. It's updating here in real time. That's kind of cool. Is there anything else that I can do with this guy? Check. Move it over here. Okay. And if I do it, nope, I forget. So if I check it, there's nothing I can do there. Okay. All right, so this is a cool little product. What I appreciate about it is that it's built right into the Visual Studio Code, which kind of makes sense because Visual Studio Code seems to be able to render these UIs really nicely. I'm wondering, are there any other tools like this that are kind of built in so that I don't have to use like 3 different apps for 3 different tasks? That would be kind of cool. Other than that, let's see what other people say. Okay, not a lot of comments. Okay, cool. Well, I'm gonna upvote it. Great. And then I'm gonna leave a comment here. Yeah, that's gonna be cool. Well, this is my first impressions for the Todo Kanban board. Is that the name? Todo Kanban board? Yes. I really like that it's built right into the Visual Studio Code. I like that it has this real-time synchronization. I'm just not sure if I didn't configure it correctly or what happened, but it didn't work when I was editing the markdown file and it wasn't really syncing with the UI, but it did work really well the other way around. So maybe there's something with me. But I really like this approach where you can have a specific UI tool built right into the Visual Studio Code to help you with a specific task. I think it's going to shape up to be a really powerful platform for a lot of different tools, and I'm really looking forward to see if there's any other tools like this. This would be really cool. Well, that's all. I'm just gonna continue scrolling through ProductHunt, and I'm just gonna try and find another product to review and kind of give my first impressions and kind of try and use it and fiddle around and try and provide value that way. So thanks.